Hi, this is day 54 of a little reminder for all of us. God is most glorified in us when we are most satisfied in Him. My question sa purpose-driven life na sulat ni Rick Warren na how can I bring glory to God? The first point is we bring God's glory by worshiping Him. Worship is our first responsibility to God. We worship God by enjoying Him. Yung worship hindi lang siya pagkanta, pagsayaw, pagsasalita ng papuri sa Panginoon, kundi buhay. Worship is a lifestyle. It is a lifestyle of enjoying God, loving Him, and serving Him, and giving ourselves to be used to His purpose. Mas napapapurihan si Lord kapag mas nai-enjoy natin siya sa bawat araw. It means you have time sa prayer, pagbabasa ng Bible, growing in His Word, and most of all, doing what He wants us to do. Lahat ng ginagawa natin, worship sa Panginoon. So kahit sa busy time schedule na meron ka, find time to seek God. Kasi yan yung way para mapapurihan si Lord if we are enjoying Him, especially His presence. See you tomorrow.